Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're new here, my name is V. I know I have not said that in a while. I am V. I love to create colorful eyeshadow looks. If you have a look in mind, please let me know in the comments. My base is on and I am ready. I'm looking at my teeth because I was just eating carrots. I want to make sure I don't have carrots while I'm talking to you. I am ready to create a look. My base is on. I already primed my eyes. I have a panning project basket. I'm going to use everything in this basket every day except lipstick and highlighter, and maybe if I need something different to create a collab look. Other than that, this is where it's going to come from. If you're watching this video and you have a YouTube channel and you'd like to collab with me, please let me know in the comments, or my email address is in my description. Email me and let me know what collab you would like to do with me. Now we start. I am using my Holy Grail palette. It has all the colors you need to create any kind of look. Greens, blues, browns, pinks, purples, yellow, orange, black. I mean, you can take this anywhere and create any kind of look that you would like. When I come here to create a look, I never know what I'm going to create. I open the palette, I look to see what is popping, and then I just go with it. So, no different here. I'm going to go into the gray. I have a big fluffy brush and I'm going to put that in the brow bone. If you are new here, my name is V and I have hooded eyes. My eyes, when I open it, you can see it. When I close it like this, you don't see the hooded eyes. But if I open and look at you, you can see it right here. So in order for me to see the colors that I'm putting on my eyes, I have to go above the crease. So I'm starting with a gray in the brow bone. I am a creative soul. I see things differently. I work with colors differently. You might not want to put a gray in your brow bone, but until you try something, you'll never know what you like. Never ever stop creating. Always, always, always reach out and do something new. Don't do something dangerous, but do something new. This is what the gray looks like. I don't have anything on this eye, right? Now there is, it looked like a burgundy, very dark. I can't tell what it is. I'm going to put it right here in the crease. And I am going to mesh it together with the gray that I just put in my brow bone. I create regular everyday looks. I create wild and bold looks. I create pretty looks. I create not so pretty looks, but it is all in fun. When I come here, I just want to spend time with you, my community, my subscribers, my viewers, those who watch, those who comment, those who watch and comment, those who watch and like. I just want to come here and be with you and be at peace and be one with you. This is what it's looking like. It's a dark burgundy, like it has a little purple wine burgundy. That's the color. Again, one side is not, one side is. I'm really liking my hair. I shampooed it and I blow dried it and I ironed it. And it's been up in one for maybe a whole week now. Today I decided to put it down. And I just took my scarf and tied it. But one thing I like with the keratin treated hair, it is not dry like a relaxer. When I used to have a relaxer, it used to make my hair really, see that? I'm taking out little lint from my hair. When I had a relaxer, my hair used to be very, very dry. It would make my hair dry. But now with the keratin, I have a lot of new growth, but it is pretty. I like it. And I'm trying to stretch it to at least a year. Try to do it at least once a year. That's what my plan is. Let's see if that works. But now back to the eyeshadow. I think I want to take the same color and put it right in the outer corner. I'm liking that color. So let me put it in the outer corner and do that. When you're doing your makeup, I know I've talked about it before. The do's and the don'ts and all these things. There are some nude lipsticks that don't look good on some skin tones. I have tried a couple nude lipsticks and I just don't like it on my skin tone. I don't know what it is about it. I just don't like it. So when you see the do's and don'ts, please take it with a grain of salt on YouTube or wherever you see it. Because it's not everything that works for everyone. You try it, and if you don't like it, don't do it. But these do's and don'ts, don't do this. This is the best one for you, and stuff like that. And it might be, but take everything with a grain of salt. Because I'm telling you, I like a colorful lipstick or brown lipstick, but nude lipstick, for some reason, when I put it on me, it just doesn't sync with my personality. So I try not to use too many nude lipstick unless I mix it with maybe a good brown and make it more brown than nude, or a different color pencil. But try those different things. When you see the do's and the don'ts, if you want to try it, go ahead and try it. But not everything works for everyone, and not everything looks good on everybody. You know what I mean? It's like you see a hairstyle on somebody and you go do it and it just look completely wrong. I have cut my hair many different styles back in the day and get to regret it and couldn't wait for my hair to grow back. So it's the same thing on YouTube with don't do your eyeshadow this way, do your eyeshadow that way, don't do this lip, do this lip. Take it with a grain of salt. That's my rant for today. Let's get back to the eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going in with some glitter glue. I want to put a shimmer down. I don't need glitter glue with this palette, but I have glitter glue and I need to use it, so this is what's happening. There is a glitter, and I love to use my fingers to do it. So there is a pretty glitter. I'm going to try that. If that don't work, I'll go for the next one, right? We just do it, try it, see what works. These are very, very very smooth shimmers. Not glitter, but shimmers. I don't know if I see glitter in the beginning. I'm using glitter glue to put the shimmers on. I never plan my eyeshadow look. I just flow. I flow with what's available in front of me and make it work. Every now and then I'll have something planned, but 90% of the time, nothing is planned. I just open up the palette and move on. This is the shimmer. Isn't it pretty? This palette is just pretty. This is a shimmer. Yeah. Loving it. Loving it. I haven't gotten excited in a while. I had a sore throat for 2 days. And then it left me with laryngitis. And that laryngitis ended up with a dry cough. And it took weeks for this dry cough to release me. So I just dealt with it and worked with it according to how it showed up. And I can say, take a look. Take a look. Isn't this pretty? See the other eye. See this eye. But now I am feeling much, much better. This dry cough took a long time to go away. I remember as a little kid, I had asthma and I had a dry cough. And all of that disappeared as I grew up. But this sore throat and the laryngitis, I always get laryngitis after sore throat. After the sore throat is healed and gone, my voice always sounds worse than I actually feel. And then the dry cough came. It took a while. But I stuck with it. I was like, you showed up. You're there for a reason. I am just going to work with you. And it's finally, today I can tell you, I'm finally, it's been what, 3 weeks? I am actually better. So if you have any ailment that you're going through, seek help, go to your healthcare provider, find out what your body is telling you, make sure you find help, get help. Take care of your body because we only have one. And while we are here on this earth, we just want to enjoy our life in our healthy body, as healthy as we can have it. Because all of us have something. But this is what was going on. But that didn't deter me. I was a tiger this morning on that treadmill machine. I did 8,000 steps in an hour and 5 minutes. And I tell you, I crushed it. Let me fix this eye and I will be back. And all these things I'm telling you is to motivate you to do your best. And so you know you are not alone. The look is about to be revealed. My base today is Black Radiance Concealer. It does not have a name. It only has a number. And it is in my panning project. This is where it's at. This is today's look. With my eyes open, looking at you with my hooded eyes, this is what it looks like. With my eyes closed, with my hooded eyes, this is what it looks like. See the difference? Hooded eyes, you can work with your eyes and make your eyeshadow work for you. The do's and don'ts does not apply. We all have different eye shape. We all have different face shape. We all have different undertones. We make our eyeshadow and our makeup work according to how we like it. Again, until I see you and you see me, I am asking you to do one thing. Pay attention to how your body is feeling. Pay attention to how your body is feeling. Listen to your body. My lip color is an old liquid lipstick from Juvia's Place. They no longer make it, so I'm not even going to mention the name, but that's what this is. And I love it. And the palette did not disappoint. For you to see everything I have on my eyes with hooded eyes, I have to do this. And if I open, some things disappear. That's why I take my colors very high on my eyes. Again, please share this video with someone else. I always appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Please run a playlist. I love you very much, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. I am feeling 95% better with my voice. Yay! Please remember to listen to your body. Bye.